Hi guys, welcome back. Today we got a short one. We're going to show you how to repair the car bumper that was dented in the parking lot. Now, we tried the water method earlier, but you know it's really windy today, and the water method didn't work out. So we break out the old heat gun right here. Set it on high. I think the high setting is between 900 to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. So it should do the job, and plastic should start to melt anywhere north of 300. Anyway, you want to grab your heat gun and a rounded, stiff, long metal object so you could work at it from the inside once it softens. Now, I'm going to show this in real time and not speed it up because I want to kind of illustrate how simple the procedure really is. Now, of course, on the internet you have other people who just dump water on it, which is a lot faster, but it didn't work out today. So, this is a tried and true method. If you ever run into the situation, just, I hope that consider it an option, and I hope that it helps you. That said, I think we're getting close to the end. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And again, if you think of something exciting you want to see, give me a shout out in the comments, and I'll do my best to respond. Thank you.